Hello, and welcome to another great, amazing book show. Today's story,
Knuffle Bunny, a cautionary tale by Mo Willems. Winner of a Caldecott honor for Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. That means it's a really good book. Oh, Knuffle Bunny! Knuffle Bunny's in the wash! Here we have Mommy and Daddy when they got married. There they are leaving the church and all the people are throwing rice. Oh, and there's Mommy and Daddy and Trixie when Trixie was born. And there's Trixie and Mommy and Daddy in front of their house maybe. Because they live in the city. And in the city, you got bars on the windows and a cool looking pillar thing behind. Knuffle Bunny, a cautionary tale by Mo Willems. That's Knuffle Bunny. Yep, it is the city. Not so long ago, before she could even speak words, Trixie went on an errand with her daddy. Oh, there she goes. See, Mommy's sitting on the steps, and Daddy and Trixie are gonna go do the laundry at the laundromat. Trixie and her daddy went down the block. There's one of their neighbors reading his newspaper. Knuffle Bunny is just dragging along, happy as a clam. There goes that guy jogging, and his dog is sniffing that tree. What do you think that dog's gonna do? Through the park, Knuffle Bunny is swinging. Yay! Past the school, he's listening to a Walkman, and there's a guy on a bike going by, and Trixie's just looking all around, so happy. And into the laundromat. Laundromat. There they go, through the gate. Trixie helped her daddy put the laundry into the machine. Oh, she's a good helper. She's putting the pants on her head, and she's got socks and underwear all over the floor. What a good job she's doing. See, Daddy's not mad. He's just put everything from the laundry basket into the machine. And you put your quarters into there and push it, and then it makes it go. She even got to put the money in the machine. That's fun. Uh-oh. Do you see something right there? That is a set of ears. I think she forgot something. Then they left. Oh no. That looks like flopping around inside the washing machine is Knuffle Bunny. Uh-oh. But a block or so later, as they're walking along, she's looking at the trees. Trixie realized something. Trixie turned to her daddy and said, "Aggle flaggle clabble! Aggle flaggle clabble!" "That's right," replied her daddy. "We're going home." That's not what she meant. "Aggle flaggle clabble," said Trixie again, waving her arms frantically. "Blaggy plabble! Wumpy flabby! Snoop!" "Now please don't get fussy," said her daddy. Well, she had no choice. Trixie bawled. She went boneless. Oh, look, she's just limp. He can't pick her up off the floor. She's just dragging along. Oh, no. She did everything she could to show how unhappy she was. That guy noticed, and these people running noticed. Ah! The dog didn't notice. By the time they got home, her daddy was unhappy too. Ah! That old man just says, "I'm glad I'm old and don't have any little kids at my house." Ah! That little kid's looking to see why that kid is screaming so loud. As soon as Trixie's mommy opened the door, she asked, "Where's Knuffle Bunny?" She's mad at her dad that her dad did not realize. And he just, see all the lightning bolts? Oh no. Oh no. He might have put Knuffle Bunny in the laundry. The whole family ran down the block. The neighbor even noticed them running so fast. And they ran through the park. And that dog is still sniffing that tree. Hey, that's Pigeon from Don't Let the Pigeon Ride the Bus.
I never get to do anything.
There they go. They zoomed past the school. Whew. That old lady wonders where they're going in such a rush. And into the laundromat. There's the laundromat with the self-service signs all over it. Trixie's daddy looked for Knuffle Bunny. And looked. He threw all the clothes on the floor. And looked. He looked behind. He crawled in and looked. All of their clothes are on the floor. But Knuffle Bunny was nowhere to be found. Oh no. So Trixie's daddy decided to look harder. See, he's rolling up his sleeve because he loves his little daughter Trixie, and he's going to do whatever he can to help her. And so he goes digging and digging and digging and digging and digging, and all the clothes are wet and on the floor and they'll have to be washed again. But it says he digs and he digs until Knuffle Bunny! There he is. He's kind of wet. His ears are dripping. But there he is! And those were the first words Trixie ever said. She learned how to say Knuffle Bunny. Knuffle Bunny is a weird word because it starts with a K. And usually when there's a K in a word, it makes a sound. But in this word, Knuffle, there's no, you don't say the K. Unless you want to say Knuffle Bunny. That's pretty funny. Her first words were Knuffle Bunny. And that's the story of almost losing Knuffle Bunny in the laundry.
If you'd like to help other people find these videos, please smash the like button. It really helps.
That was...
Knuffle Bunny, a cautionary tale by Mo Willems.
Hold on just a second there. There's 2 of these books. And actually, it turns out I'm saying it wrong. It's Knuffle Bunny. There's a different girl in that book that calls it Knuffle Bunny, and they argue, and it's a really good story. So when you finish this one, watch Knuffle Bunny 2.
We do hope you've enjoyed this great, amazing book show, and if you'd like to listen to further titles, please check out our other videos.
Or subscribe and continue to enjoy more of these fascinating stories.